Without finding the cubes, factorize x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube. Again, a very complex appearing question, but if you know and understand and remember certain identities, this is a piece of cake. Let's see how. So the first thing, which identity we are going to use? Since we have cube here, so if this is taken as A, this is taken as B, and this is taken as C, then it becomes A cube plus B cube plus C cube. And an identity says A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. But again, this looks complex. If you have looked at some of my other videos, even the previous one, I have used this identity and simplified it to make the solution of such questions easier. If you haven't, you can watch, or you can just look at it here. What is the value of A plus B plus C in this case? A is x minus y, B is y minus z, and C is z minus x. So let us use this. A is x minus y plus B is y minus z plus C is z minus x, which is equal to, if we open the bracket, we get x minus y plus no change of sign, y minus z plus again no change of sign, z minus x. Now just look at it. Here we have x, here we have minus x, cancels out. Here we have minus y, here we have plus y, cancels out. Minus z and plus z cancels out. So what we get here is simply 0. Now just look at this identity. We have two factors, and the value of this factor here we have calculated as 0. Now since 0 is multiplied by this, what we will get is 0, because any number multiplied by 0 always gives us 0. This means this A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, this becomes 0. Why? Because A plus B plus C is equal to 0, which means A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 0, which can also be written as A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC, because this minus goes on the right hand side, becomes plus. What was the value of A? You can see here, it is x minus y cube plus, what was the value of B? It is y minus z cube plus, what is the value of C? It is z minus x whole cube equal to 3ABC. Substitute the values. 3A. What is A? X minus y. Next we have B. What is the value of B? It's y minus z. Next we have C. What is the value of C? Z minus x. What else? Nothing. We got our answer. The question is solved. See, We didn't even realize when we got the solution. The trick behind this question was, you have to observe that a plus b plus c is equal to 0, because of which the long identity of a cube plus b cube plus c cube becomes a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Since we have got the values of a, b, c and we substitute those values, it is already in the factor form, and that is where we get the solution. So this is again a very easy question which looks very complex in the beginning, and if you get scared, you are going to lose it. Don't do that. Remember the identities, start doing it. Start solving the question and you will get the answer. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.